हेलो वीवर्स। आज यहाँ पार्क प्लाजा होटल में चल रहे निशा के एनुअल समिट में मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ। आज यहाँ पर पूरे देश से शिक्षाविद आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पर मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर सुनीता आनंद, डायरेक्टर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दून पब्लिक स्कूल। सो मैं चाहूँगा कि डॉक्टर सुनीता आनंद हमारे गेस्ट को अपनी सजेशंस दें और अपने स्कूल के बारे में बताएं।
थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन। जयप्रकाश जी, मेरा स्कूल पंचकुला सेक्टर 21 में है एंड ये K-12 स्कूल है एंड स्कूल हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ था 1995 में एंड मेरा अपना इस एजुकेशन के फील्ड में दिस इज़ माय 43rd ईयर इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन and I am grateful to NISA that they have recognized my efforts in the field of education and they have honored me today with the Lifetime Achievement Award. So our school is one of the budget schools of the country and we have already been recognized out of say 100 budget schools as one of the schools. So that's what about my school.
So ma'am, how you connected with NISA?
NISA, I think they rather connected us.
Okay.
Yeah, we did not connect them. They connected us. When they were looking for the budget schools, actually, because NISA basically propagate the budget schools, or you can say they help the budget schools, or they recognize the budget schools. They bring them forward, the budget schools. So they had just, you can say they had given a format or a form that those who are into these parameters, working on these parameters, so we also filled that form, and that's how NISA recognized us one of the, you can say, 100 budget schools of India.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today, in this podcast, we took approximately 25 interviews, and most of the principals are having some queries with parent. Actually, they are not getting proper support from parent side. They doesn't have any issue with the students. So anything you would like to say to the parent?
Yeah, of course. Actually, education is a two-way process, and it is not only the responsibility of the school to educate a child. The first school of a child is always his home or her home. So parents' responsibility is very, very important. Until and unless they will not create that respect in the mind of the child about education, about their teacher, which is losing day by day actually. The parents actually nowadays, they feel that they are giving fee to the school. Now it is the solely responsibility of the school to bring up their child, to morally make sound their child. Ethically also the child should be made strong. But what ethics he is seeing at home, or what kind of morals he is seeing at home, so child is in a fix that which is right, whether the parents are right, or whatever the teacher or the school is telling me to do this, that is right. If a parent is using abusive language at home, so he cannot expect the child not to use that kind of language in the school, even if the teacher will stop him. But most of in the school, the child is for say maximum 6 hours. Yes. Not more than that, and rest of the 24 hours, say 18 hours, he is at home. So the kind of atmosphere, kind of, you can say, the language or the kind of thought process he is getting from home, that is very, very important. I am not generalizing it that every parent is like that. No. One of the reasons is that the parents do not have much time these days for their children because both are working. The mother and the father both are working just to meet their day-to-day expenses. That is one thing. And they are not, you can say, sharing their valuable time with their children. Morning, the child is coming early to the school. Afternoon, when child is going back home, so then the mother is not available. Either the maid is available or the grandmother is available. Grandmother has her own concerns, her own, you can say, limitations. She can be old, she can have some ailment, she can be otherwise, you can say, busy in her retired life or whatever. And the child is alone at home, and he is only left with either TV or mobile. So whatever the social media is teaching the child is learning. So that is one of the factors that these days the children are not, as Baba Ramdev said, कि संस्कार नहीं है, संस्कारों को के ऊपर हमने काम करना है. तो वो संस्कार हमारे कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ गुम हो रहे हैं, क्यों गुम हो रहे हैं? आई डोंट थिंक कि पूरे देश में कोई भी ऐसा स्कूल होगा जो चाहेगा या नहीं देता होगा बच्चों को संस्कार. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो कमी फिर दूसरे पार्ट पे ही आ रही है ना, कि संस्कार नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं बच्चों को। स्कूल दे रहा है बट वो घर पे उसकी रेपिटेशन नहीं हो रही है। बच्चे ने जाकर अगर कुछ भी पेरेंट को बोला है दैट माय टीचर डिड दिस, स्कोल्डेड मी टुडे, तो पेरेंट इज नॉट इवन आस्किंग द चाइल्ड दैट व्हाई यू हैव बीन स्कोल्डेड। ही विल ओनली कैच द वर्ड स्कोल्डेड और माय ear was pulled by the teacher. Why question? The parent is not even asking the child, and he is only concentrating on that pulled my ear. So all those legalities and everything, they are fully aware about it कि जी टीचर ने कान पकड़ा, अब टीचर को जाकर हम पकड़ेंगे। और इतना अवेयरनेस सरकार कर रही है उनको, पेरेंट्स को भी, बच्चों को भी। अब तो रिसेंटली लाइक वी हैड अ वर्कशॉप इन आवर स्कूल that the student should be knowing their legal rights. The child should be knowing his or her legal rights. So now who will tell them that how to use those legal rights? Or before rights comes the duties. So पहले तो आप उनको, बच्चों को उनकी ड्यूटीज समझाएं ना राइट्स बताने से पहले। बट क्योंकि करनी है पेपर फॉर्मेलिटी कि हाँ जी हमने अवेयर कर दिया, so they came and they told. अब how many students will actually understand what are their legal rights and where should they use it and when should they use it? That is the main question, जो कि बताना ज़रूरी है बच्चों को। ना वो पेरेंट बता रहा है, ना वो गवर्नमेंट बता रही है, सिर्फ एक पेपर फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए उसको बता दिया और उसका मिसयूज़ हो रहा है, चाहे वो पेरेंट के एंड पे हो, चाहे वो सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स के एंड पे हो। आज की तारीख में इतनी जो स्टैबिंग एंड दिस दैट जो आज बड़े बच्चे कर रहे हैं, वो कोई स्कूल तो नहीं सिखा रहा, ना पेरेंट भी नहीं सिखा रहा। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि कोई पेरेंट सिखा रहा है कि आप टीचर को जाकर स्टैब करके आएँ या प्रिंसिपल को स्टैब कर दें, बट कहीं से तो वो बच्चा सीख रहा है।
कहीं से तो सीख रहे हैं। Otherwise, taking interview of an education is like it is like a totally different kind of experience. मुझे आज क्वेश्चंस पुट नहीं करने पड़े काफ़ी सारे लोगों से, as everyone is very much like having good experience as you had. So आपने मेरी सारी बातों का जवाब सिंगल सेंटेंस में ही दे दिया। So मैं सिर्फ आपका धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ, आप यहाँ पर आए और आपने अपना कीमती समय हमें दिया।
आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.